age of Industry 4.0. Industrial quality standards rise as applications grow more meticulous. Firms become more particular about requirements, up to the very last detail. In such an era, you don't just need products, you need system solutions that are flexible and configurable. That's why AMG Systemtechnik Incorporated came up with the 6 Sensor Solutions exhibit. During the Asia Food Expo at the World Trade Center, we wanted our clients to easily imagine the potential of 6 sensors in various system applications. Showcasing the latest state-of-the-art technology in sensor automation, 8 electronically powered attractions demonstrate the capabilities of 6 sensor intelligence in different applications. The Smart Sensor display brings to life the possibility of reliable label inspection and bottle detection with the use of smart configurable sensors. The Industrial Safety Sensor panel demonstrates 6 easy device monitoring with 6 safety switches, light curtains, and laser scanners, providing solutions to protecting humans from hazardous machine processes. The Industrial Laser Scanner panel is a family of 6 laser scanners, suitable for a myriad of area detection requirements from the simplest up to the most rugged and weatherproof applications. The Quality Inspection System highlights 6 leadership in 2D and 3D optical recognition, image detection, and identification. The Fluid Sensor display shows the possibility of level measurement for hydrous liquids, viscous liquids, and bulk solids. Visitors even learn more about our sensors in action through interactive minigames. Lastly, the Omni Directional Barcode reading system gives visitors a glimpse of the sortation system commonly used in warehouse logistics and airport luggage handling. With such exciting attractions at our exhibit, the event was a tremendous success. The exhibit was a spectacle, with visitors ranging from small to large clients participating in various industries within factory automation and logistics automation. But this is just the beginning. Day by day, we at AMG are working to strengthen ties with our most valued clients by providing them with cost-effective and intelligent solutions for their supply chain operations. In this manner, we help our partners become more competitive even in the face of a challenging business environment.